Alright guys, as I patiently wait for my girlfriend to finish getting ready here, look what car I got out this weekend. Yes, that's right, I did not get rid of the Mustang, although I guess nobody was thinking that. Yes, I finally got the Mustang out. It feels about like 2 months or so since I've actually driven it more than just around the block. So yes, today we're going to a car show. Finally, after it feels like months, looks like there's actually car shows again. Unfortunately, in Florida, it looks like we're about to hit the second wave of COVID, so unfortunately, this might even be the last car show for a while again. But in which case, the Mustang is out of the garage. We're about to go head to a nice little car show. This is one I have been to before. This is the Detail Garage Rides and Coffee. Detail Garage, they sell Chemical Guys products, which is pretty cool. It's actually what I use to wash my car. Not sponsored by Chemical Guys, although I really wish I was. Can Chemical Guys hitch your boy up? Like, look how clean this car is because of that. I usually go to this one because it's right across the street from my house, which is very nice. So that's a very nice reason to go. Of course, it's now a long drive to get from my girlfriend's house to Rides and Coffee at Detail Garage, but why not? We'll take the back roads to get there with the Mustang. She's actually been really missing the Mustang because really for the past month or so I've been driving the Tacoma non-stop just because basically I've been scared to drive the Mustangs. Y'all know I got into a pretty serious car accident not too long ago, and it wasn't my fault, luckily. But you know, my last Tacoma got totaled, so people just can't drive around here at all. Between old ladies, just idiots, etc. So figured let's get the Mustang out finally. Alright, look who's finally ready.
Hey, I have to look gorgeous, okay?
Yeah, I know.
And it takes women time to look beautiful.
Oh well. Anyway, we're ready. That's what I say, about a 45-minute drive or so. Look at this, guys. Chivalry is not dead.
He just wants to look at the butt.
Hey, no shame in that. Comfortable?
Yep.
Alright, heading out on this decent drive. Cold start time. Yes, I missed putting this in the vlog.
Let's go!
Alright guys, we made it here. And yes, as you can see, we are wearing masks just because we don't want to catch the Rona.
Hell no.
It looks like it's a pretty good turnout though. We got a lot of vehicles out and about today. I guess there's plenty of people like us who just said, hey, you know what? We don't care. Let's go enjoy a car show. So we're just.
Hopefully no Karen shut it down.
Yeah, I hope not. If Karen, if you're watching this, do not shut this down. We need this. This is like Car Guy's version of going to the club. But anyway, I'm gonna start walking around, just look at some cars and see what's out here. See if there's anything she likes. If anything, she's the important one. She's got to enjoy this. Am I right?
Hey, I'm an essential worker. I work hard.
Hey, I am too. I'm also essential. But anyway, we'll get catch back up in a minute here. Alright guys, so you can see we've abandoned the masts. It is just way too hot out. I think people are starting to leave. Welcome to Florida in the summer. It just gets too hot to do things like this.
Breakfast time.
We're about to head to Bob Evans and get some breakfast, so I know, hungry hungry little
Simon's
kitty.
cat reference for those who don't know Simon's cat. Look it up, it's cute.
I'll put a picture up on screen of him, but yes, anyway, little hungry kitty over here wants food. But overall, it's actually been pretty good. What would you think about this car show?
I think that it needs more classics and it needs to be at least 10 degrees less heat.
Yeah, I agree. I agree with her on that. Yeah, I think we needed some classic cars out here. We had like the Thunderbird and a classic Corolla, and that's really it.
Kind of depressing. I like my classics.
I know. We were hoping to go to Street Side Classics today, but unfortunately that one was canceled. And unfortunately with this wave, this might be the last car show we go to for a little bit.
Yep.
But oh well, we're about ready to pass out due to the heat. So let me know in the comment section below what you all think about this. What car was your favorite today? Because a lot of awesome ones to choose from. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. Anyway, take care. Have a good day.